how you doing? So I'm not going to keep you long today. Mushroom fried rice, Indian style. Got some lovely spices in there. This is super fast, super easy to make. Healthy, vegetarian, and of course, vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is really nice and easy. What we've got here is some cooked rice. I've got 3 cups of cooked cold basmati rice. Now, I say cold because I always find that cold rice just fries a little bit better than hot or warm rice. Mushrooms, fresh button mushrooms here. These are 250 grams, 1 cup of onions, couple of chilies. I've not chopped my chili, I've just slit it down the side so you can take it out. Chop it if you want. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1, 2, 3 green cardamom, little bit of dried chili. And then here, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Okay, so I've got a little wok thing here. You're going to need something like this or a frying pan or something. In there I've got some sunflower oil. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds, the green cardamom pods, and that little bit of dried chili. And just for a few seconds, let it do its thing. We're on a high heat, by the way. And then we're going to drop in the onion, 1 cup of onion. And we're going to stir fry this around just for 2 minutes. Okay, next up we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. In that goes. I'm going to add my fresh chili. We're going to drop in our mushrooms, which I just sort of roughly cut. They're kind of nice thick cut. Cut it smaller if you want. We're going to add the turmeric and the coriander. To that I'm going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper and the same of salt. 4 minutes now. Stay on this high heat and keep it moving. There you go, you can hear that we're getting a little bit of moisture from our mushrooms. Simply let's get in our rice. And we're going to stir fry this again, staying on a really nice high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. I've just got some chopped cilantro there, or coriander, whatever you call that, in the mix. Beautiful, really nice and easy. We're done. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go, steaming hot. Super, super easy that was. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.